Welcome. Today we'll learn how to find and read 3/4 of an inch on a ruler or tape measure. Let's start with a standard ruler. Here's a section showing 1 inch divided into smaller measurements. First, let's look at how an inch is divided into quarters. Each 1/4 inch mark is a long line on the ruler. Here's 1/4, 2/4, or 1/2, 3/4, and 4/4, or 1 full inch. Now, let's look at the smaller marks. Each inch is also divided into 16 equal parts. These are the 16th inch marks. If we count the 16th inch marks up to 3/4 of an inch, we'll find that it's the same as 12/16. Let's focus specifically on finding 3/4 of an inch. There are two easy ways to find it. First, you can count 3/4 inch marks from zero. Or second, you can count 12/16 inch marks from zero. Both will get you to exactly the same spot. Here's a practical example. Let's say you need to measure 3/4 of an inch to cut a piece of wood. You would align the edge with zero and make your mark at the 3/4 inch line, which is the same as 12/16 of an inch. Remember, 3/4 of an inch can be read as either 3/4 marks from zero or as 12/16 marks from zero. Both measurements are exactly the same distance,